What a beautiful country India is. Today I'm staying at the Flora Vythiri resort here in Wayanad, bang in the middle of a rainforest. And guess what? They've offered me a hideaway chalet. Come, let's check it out.
What is your definition of a hideaway? Is it a place far away from all the noise where you only hear the patter of rain and the rustle of leaves? Well, that's my definition too. I happened to get the chance to experience the Hideaway Chalet at Flora Vythiri. Connected and also disconnected at the same time. The Hideaway Chalet at Flora is a secluded space so that you can enjoy your privacy to its absolute fullest. But you'll still be close enough to the main resort so none of their amenities are ever beyond your reach. Flora is a well-known and respected Dubai-based hospitality brand that is expanding rapidly in Kerala. The Flora Vythiri is located in Vythiri in Wayanad, set amidst 50 acres of lush green rainforest. Just a short walk downhill from my chalet was a natural stream. With the gentle rush of flowing water as nature's music, do you really need Spotify? With people traveling only for the gram, I often wonder if the essence and purpose of travel is getting lost. It's on holidays like this I realize we develop so much attachment to what we think we own. A house, a car, often living life comparing ours with others. At the end of the day, nothing stays forever. It's only time we loan. Let's travel for the sake of travel. Let's travel to experience and explore. Let's travel to learn and unlearn.